Hello guys, this is Ghost Power. So today I'm going to show you top 5 applications that you can use to make free money online. All I just want for you is to watch this video from the beginning to the end, and you will learn from the top 5 applications and you will go and start using them to make free money online. This is top 5 apps that you can use to make money online. So keep watching. Open your Google Play Store. You need to search for the first application. So the first application is called um, Google Opinion. So you need to search for Google Opinion. Google Opinion. Google Opinion Reward. So when you install this application, how it works is very simple. Install the application and you answer surveys. So anytime you install this application on your smartphone, you just need to register with your Gmail account, and they only allow only one user per account, so you cannot create multiple accounts with Google Opinion Reward. So it's very simple to use. Install the application on your smartphone and go and register. Is very simple too. It's just your email, and that you are good to go. Your email and your password, and you are good to go. So once you install it, you will start seeing survey that is available, and once you complete the survey, you are going to be making money. So that is everything you need to see. So first, when you create your account, this is what you see. You see that your Google Opinion are available. So two, you are going to see surveys that will take you like a 2 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour to do, or 1 hour or 30 minutes to do. Once you complete the survey, you are good to go to start making money. So once you are done with the survey, you will see thank you, and you will see the earning, how much you earn from your Google Opinion account. You can cash the money into your Google account, or you can exchange it for a gift card reward. And that is how this application, which is called Google Opinion, works. So we are going to move to the second application. So the second application that you can use to make money, let us search for the application, which is called AppKarma. So we are going to search for AppKarma. So AppKarma is a very simple app that allows people like you and me to make money online for free. So how AppKarma works: you can answer questions, you can install application, and you are getting paid for doing that. As you can see, when you install application, you are going to be getting paid. Answer question, you are going to be getting paid, and you have daily free point that anytime you log in on this application, which is called AppKarma, you are going to be getting paid for just doing that. So yeah, that is the things you need to know. So how do you receive your payment? You can receive your payment in multiple ways: Starbucks, Target, Walmart, and Xbox Live, and a lot of way. Even PayPal is available, Amazon is available, that you can use to redeem your money. So all you do on AppKarma is that you install application, use it for a particular time, and you are going to get paid. You can take surveys, you can watch video on AppKarma, and you are going to get paid. So let us move to the third application that you can use to make money online. So the third application that you can use to make money online is called AppNana. So you need to search for AppNanas. Search for AppNanas. You will see AppNanas Reward. So this is an application that allows people like you and me to still do the same thing: install application, watch video, answer question. You get paid for just doing that. You refer people to this program, you get paid for just doing a very simple step. So all you do, install application, and you can choose your country, the country where you are from, and you can cash out your money into your PayPal account or into your Amazon account. So it depends on what you want to use your point to cash out. Just use the application, follow the instruction, what they are telling you to do, and once you are done, you will now start making money online for free. So that is what I need to talk to you about on this application, which is called AppNana. So all you just need to do is to go and start using AppNana right now. So let us move to the top 4 app that you can use to make money online. The top 4 app that you can use to make money online today is called this application, which is called Current. So you can search for Current app at the top here. Just search for Current. Just search for Current app. Current app. You see Current app reward. So you see the application. This application, which is called Current, it allows you to make money for free. So this application, which is called Current, allows you to make money for listening to music and playing games and a lot more. You can watch video, you can install application, you can play games, and you can listen to music and get paid from this application, which is called Current App. So just search for Current App on your Google Play Store, and once you search for the right application, you will see it will pop up, and you can now start using Current App to start making free money. As you can see, those are ways that you can use to redeem your money once you are through using this application. You can redeem your money in multiple ways. So all you just need to do is to go install this application and start making money. How you can receive your money on Current? You can receive your money on Amazon, PayPal, Google Play Store, Target, and a lot of ways that you can use to cash out your payment once you have a particular point. So you get your money through point, and you can convert the point into cash, into PayPal, Amazon, or any type of card, or any type of thing you want to convert your points into, either cash, or you can convert it to use to buy, like get a voucher to buy some things online. So let us move to the top 5 applications that you can use to make money online for free. So the top 5 applications that you can use to make money online for free is very, very simple. So all you just need to do is to keep on watching, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you really find this video interesting. So just go to your Google Play Store again and search for this application, which is called Future Point. So search for Future Point. Future Point is a very simple app that allows people like you and me to take surveys, answer questions, and you get paid. So those applications that I'm showing you all work in the same way, but they have multiple options. Like each one of these applications that I showed you, they have multiple options that you can use to make money online. I want you to understand it. That is why I added these 5 applications, because they have multiple ways and different functions that you can use to make money. So you just need to go try them out. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you have used any one of those websites. So let's talk about Future Point. Future Point is an application that allows people like you and me to go complete offers. You can see download application like Instagram or any type of application on your smartphone, and you will get points for just doing that. So download the application, use it for 2 minutes, follow the requirement, and you will get paid for just doing that. They pay you through points, and you can convert the point into cash. So as you can see, you download the application, 50 points will be added for playing games. If you want to play game, you can play game too and make money on this application, which is called Future Point. So you can play games and still make money. So as you can see here, you can play games, you can place a sweet, you can scratch like a daily prize. They have a daily prize, instant prize, that you can just go participate on the contest, and you might be among the winner of the day. So if you win, you will get a point for just winning. So that is what you need to know about the scratch and win instant prize session. So, and they have their payment method. They have Amazon, they have Google Play Store, they have Steam, they have Xbox, they have Nintendo, and they have Best Buy, they have eBay, they have Nike, they have Visa credit card, and they have PayPal, they have Bitcoin. So they have multiple ways that you can use to redeem your money once you start using this application, which is called Future Point. So that is the things you need to, and you can refer your friend on this application, which is called Future Point, and you get paid. You can see that when you install anyone to this application, which is called Future Point, you will get 50% of their anytime they make any money, or they earn any point from anywhere. So yeah, that is the things you need to talk. I need to talk about. So, and they even have in cashback, like they allow you to shop from any one of these brand websites, and they will pay you cash back from shopping from all those websites like Nike, GameStop, Microsoft, Sephora, and a lot more, even Adidas. You shop from those brands and through Future Points, and you will get paid for just doing that. So that is the things you need to know. So that is everything I need to talk about. And this website is available too on desktop. If you search for www.futurepoint.com, is available on desktop. So you will be able to use this website on your desktop, even on your smartphone. So That is the things you need to know about this way of how you can make money online for free. I will say thank you very much. If you watch this video to the end, don't forget again, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, don't forget to follow me on I am Real God's Power on Instagram, I am Real God's Power on Facebook, I am Real God's Power on Twitter. Don't forget again, check out my website, which is www.realgodspower.com, for you to learn how you can earn money online. Multiple ways that I have blogged on my website. You can go and try them out and start using them to start making free money online. I will say thank you very much and peace.